Hi friends! So I had initially tried to keep to a schedule of uploading every Sunday, Sunday Australian EST time, daylight savings time. I don't know, time zones are weird. But obviously I missed my upload this Sunday because I've been working on my very first master study, and to be honest I was quite intimidated. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I finally finished the painting, but the video is quite extensive and it's going to take me a while to edit, so that will be going up next Sunday. And I thought, you know what, no uploads this week, but I just checked my mail and the February Scrawlr Box is here. Now, because I live in Australia, I get everything a lot later than the UK and the US, so you've probably already seen the contents of it, but I'm gonna make a video anyway. I love unboxing the Scrawlr boxes, so let's unbox it and make some art. Alrighty, let's see what we got. I've purposely not been watching everybody else's videos on this box because I do like to have a surprise when I open it up. Alright, let's do this first. We have the Scrawlr zine, which has a list of our supplies, our artist, tips and tricks, more tips. Looks like we have some kind of paint pens. Here's the Scrawlr gallery with the artist submissions from the prompt for the December box. I was featured in the January zine for my artwork, which was pretty cool. We have that art print. It's pretty cute. And that's our featured artist, Kerry Lemon. Our surface is the Canson XL Multimedia, 10 pages, A5, my favorite size, and 300 GSM. So this will be very useful to me outside of this box. And our supplies, we have 3 Daler-Rowney fluid acrylic. What are they? Are they a pen? Fluid acrylics. Proudly manufactured in the UK, Daler-Rowney System 3 fluid acrylics are a versatile, multi-surface, pigment-based acrylic paint. Featuring a smooth, opaque and creamy consistency, they offer a high-intensity pigment with great coverage that maintains depth of colour and vibrancy even when diluted. These paints can be used in so many ways. Use directly from the tube or mix on a palette. Pour it, paddle it, drop it and splash it for expressive work, and it can be dragged and painted for more traditional work. This fluid acrylic is also suitable for use in airbrushes. Airbrushing's not something I've done since high school. There's a sticker, got some candy. We also have a marker, black marker, and a little angled brush. I like these kind of brushes, very useful. All right, sweet, let's make something. Which is just a matter of shaking it and depressing the nib onto the surface a few times. And the other paints are in a tube and they're quite fluid, so you just squeeze them out. They've got a small sort of nib on them, I guess, so you can use them directly to paint from the tube, but I thought I'd squeeze them out into the palette and see what kind of colour combinations I could come up with the 3 colours we were provided. So just mixing the 3 together and then with white. Obviously our primaries, blue and yellow, make green. And I thought I'd see what kind of variations on green we could get. So I've got a pastel and then like a pastel teal colour. We've got that really bright lime green and then a deeper teal. So I was really stoked with the variations of green that I could come up with just with these 3 paints. And I'm using only the supplies I received in the box, although I did grab one of my Prismacolor Colorase pencils to sketch. I initially thought with the prompt words being organic origins about doing something with plants, maybe like some kind of jungle type theme because we've got so many greens. But then I thought, no, I think we can do something a bit more interesting than that. And when I started thinking more about the word organic, my brain just went to juice. So here's the painting that I came up with. And that's the whole process from sketch to final brushstroke. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I'm glad that I ended up going with this idea. I am aiming to upload every Sunday, so I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a little thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And thanks again for stopping by. Bye.